Welcome back! Ever stared at a massive bridge or a skyscraper and wondered, how did they build that? These aren't just structures, they're proof of our ambition and creativity. Today, we're taking a global tour of the world's most mind-blowing engineering feats. Projects so massive they reshape cities, economies, and even the planet itself. We'll dive into the science, the challenges, and the human effort behind these megaprojects. From rivers and deserts to tunnels under oceans and towers that scrape the sky, get ready to see how we build the impossible. These are the projects that connect us, power us, and inspire us to dream bigger. Let's get started. First stop, Libya's Sahara Desert, home to the great man-made river. Under the sand lies the Nubian Sandstone Aquifer, an ancient underground lake. Libya built the world's largest irrigation project to tap it, creating a river in the desert. Thousands of kilometers of giant concrete pipes, some big enough to drive a car through, carry water from deep wells to the coast. Massive pumps lift water from over 1,000 wells, supplying millions of cubic meters daily to cities and farms. The result? Barren desert transformed into farmland, supporting millions and boosting food security. It's a hidden lifeline, rewriting geography and proving that with enough vision, even deserts can bloom. The Great Man-Made River is a bold answer to one of humanity's oldest challenges: water. Next, we journey to Europe's Channel Tunnel, an extraordinary underwater railway that connects Britain and France beneath the sea. This engineering marvel is often called the Channel, and it stands as one of the most ambitious infrastructure projects in modern history. For centuries, the English Channel was a formidable barrier, separating families, cultures, and economies. Crossing it was once a perilous adventure, with only boats braving the unpredictable waters. The Channel changed everything, with 3 parallel tunnels bored by massive machines deep beneath the seabed. This feat required cutting-edge technology and relentless determination. British and French teams dug toward each other, meeting with astonishing precision in 1990, a triumph of engineering and international teamwork. Their collaboration overcame immense technical and logistical challenges. Over 8 million cubic meters of earth were excavated, even creating new land on the British coast at Samphire Hoe, a unique landscape born from the tunnel's construction. Today, high-speed Eurostar trains zip from London to Paris in just over 2 hours, revolutionizing travel, business, and trade between the two nations. What once took a day now takes a morning. The Channel Tunnel is a powerful reminder that with enough determination and vision, even the sea can't keep us apart. It's not just a tunnel, it's a symbol of what's possible when imagination meets engineering, and when nations work together for a common goal. Sometimes the only real barrier is our own ambition. The Channel Tunnel proves that when we dare to dream big, we can bridge even the widest divides. Now let's journey to China's monumental Three Gorges Dam, the world's largest power station and the heaviest concrete structure ever built by humans. This colossal feat of engineering stands as a testament to human ambition and ingenuity. Spanning the mighty Yangtze River, the dam not only tames deadly floods that once devastated communities, but also generates enough electricity to power entire cities and industries across China, lighting up millions of homes. 32 giant turbines spin day and night, producing more energy than a dozen nuclear plants combined. This immense output is a key part of China's push toward cleaner, renewable power and reducing reliance on coal, but the dam's impact is complex and far-reaching. Over 1 million people were relocated from their homes. Ancient cultural sites now lie submerged beneath the water, and environmental challenges continue to spark debate. It's also a shipping superhighway with massive locks and a unique ship elevator system lifting enormous vessels up and down the river, transforming inland trade and transportation. The Three Gorges Dam is a marvel of modern engineering, but it's also a powerful lesson in the trade-offs and consequences that come with building mega-projects on such a scale. It stands as a symbol of national pride for many, yet also serves as a reminder that building big always comes with big consequences: social, cultural, and environmental. Sometimes changing the course of a river means changing the course of everything around it, forever altering landscapes, lives, and history. Now, to Dubai's Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, soaring over 828 meters. Its spiraling Y-shaped design confuses fierce desert winds, keeping the tower stable. The foundation plunges over 50 meters deep, anchored by nearly 200 massive concrete piles. Construction cranes climbed with the building, and double-decker elevators rocket visitors to the top. The Burj Khalifa is more than a skyscraper. It's a vertical city, a global icon, and a magnet for millions of visitors. It redefined what's possible in architecture and inspired a new era of super-tall towers. Dubai's ambition turned a desert skyline into a symbol of progress. When you build this high, you don't just reach for the sky, you change it. In Central America, the Panama Canal has been the world's shortcut for over a century. But as ships grew, the canal needed a massive upgrade. Enter the Panama Canal expansion, new gigantic locks and deeper channels, doubling capacity. The new locks use water-saving basins, recycling 60% of the water with every ship, crucial for sustainability. Now the canal can handle the world's biggest ships, redrawing global trade routes and boosting Panama's economy. It's a masterclass in adapting old infrastructure for a new era. The expansion keeps global trade flowing, and proves that even the greatest shortcuts need an upgrade. Sometimes the future is built by making the old even better. The Panama Canal remains a linchpin of world commerce. Back to China for the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, the world's longest sea crossing at 55 kilometers. It's a mix of bridges, artificial islands, and a 6.7-kilometer undersea tunnel, connecting three economic powerhouses. To avoid blocking shipping lanes, engineers built artificial islands and sent traffic underwater. The islands were created with giant steel cylinders, and the tunnel was assembled from massive concrete sections sunk into the seabed. The bridge is built to withstand typhoons, earthquakes, and ship strikes, designed to last 120 years. Travel time between cities dropped from hours to just 30 minutes, integrating economies and transforming the region. It's a bold vision of regional connectivity, turning a bay into a bridge to the future. Sometimes the best way forward is straight across the water. Now we leave Earth behind and journey to the International Space Station, the most complex and ambitious construction project ever attempted by humanity, orbiting 400 kilometers above our planet's surface. Built through the collaboration of 5 major space agencies, the ISS was assembled piece by piece in the vacuum of space over many years, with astronauts from around the globe working together to connect its modules and systems. Its advanced life support and power systems recycle air and water, allowing crews to live and work in orbit for months at a time, while its massive solar arrays capture sunlight to power this extraordinary floating science laboratory. In the unique environment of microgravity, scientists conduct experiments on everything from human health and disease to the development of new materials and technologies, paving the way for future missions to Mars and beyond, and helping us understand how humans can adapt to life away from Earth. The ISS stands as a powerful symbol of international cooperation, and serves as a vital testbed for learning how to live and work off-planet, in preparation for humanity's next great adventures. It's here that we learn to survive, adapt, and thrive in space, together. More than just hardware and technology, the ISS is a shining beacon of what humanity can achieve when we unite for a common purpose. The International Space Station is our first true home beyond Earth, a place where the dream of living among the stars begins to become reality. What's next after the Burj Khalifa? In Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, the Jeddah Tower aims to be the first building to reach 1 kilometer high. Its aerodynamic 3-sided design battles fierce winds, and its foundation plunges over 100 meters deep. The project features advanced elevators and a super-strong core, but construction has stalled due to economic and political hurdles. If finished, it will house hotels, offices, apartments, and the world's highest observatory. The Jeddah Tower is a symbol of Saudi ambition, and a glimpse at the future of skyscrapers. Whether it's completed or not, it pushes the boundaries of what's possible. The dream of a kilometer-high building keeps engineers reaching higher. Underground in London, the Elizabeth Line, formerly Crossrail, revolutionizes city travel. Over 100 kilometers of new railway, with 42 kilometers of tunnels bored beneath the city's dense infrastructure. Engineers navigated a maze of existing lines and historic buildings, using precision boring machines and real-time monitoring. 10 new stations and upgrades transformed the passenger experience, bringing light and space to the underground. Opened in 2022, the line increased London's rail capacity by 10% and slashed commute times. It's a masterclass in urban engineering, future-proofing a megacity for generations. Sometimes the biggest changes happen out of sight, deep below our feet. Our final stop, Tesla's Gigafactories, a global network of massive, ultra-efficient factories. These aren't just car plants, they're designed to produce batteries and electric vehicles at unprecedented scale. By bringing every step of production under one roof, Tesla slashes costs and accelerates innovation. Inside, thousands of robots work in automated harmony, constantly evolving to boost output. Gigafactories worldwide, from Nevada to Shanghai, are driving the shift to sustainable energy and electric vehicles. They're also building battery packs for homes and utilities, making renewable energy more reliable. These factories are proof that manufacturing itself can be a mega project, and a key to a sustainable future. From rivers and deserts to homes in space, these mega projects show what's possible when we dream big. They connect us, power us, and push us to explore new frontiers. The world is constantly reshaped by our ambition and ingenuity. The real question, what will we build next? Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more jaw-dropping engineering wonders. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.